So I'll show you another card trick today. It's one of the tricks I ever learned, and I hope you like it. So we take a deck of cards, we give them a shuffle, and then what we're looking for is the ace, 2, 3 and 4 of hearts. There's the 3, speeds things up. The 2, the 4, and the ace. There you go. Nice and straightforward. And what we do is we'll put them in order. Ace, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so as I said, ace, 2, 3 and 4. We'll mix them up a bit, like so. And watch what happens when I give them just a quick little spin. I do that. And now, the ace turns over. We go again. The 2. Again. The 3. And finally, the 4. So we get our 4 cards. But the weirdest thing happens if we spin them and shake them a bit the other way. Now they turn silver. But not just those ones. The entire deck. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that. Take it easy and stay safe.